go, Reyes. Captain on the bridge.
Sir, Admiral Rains is on the line.
Rayman doesn't waste any time.
Bring him up.
Bridge is sealed.
Captain Reyes, it's damn good to see you, son. First and foremost, I have a classified briefing for your eyes only. Meet me in your operations office.
Yes, sir.
Camo, patch the Admiral into the Captain's operations office.
Check. Connecting now.
Go ahead, Admiral.
This is an update on the Aegis gun saboteur. Our team has completed a forensic evaluation of the SDF asset we now know as Raya. An internally planted device was found on the prisoner. It's a transponder, emitting as we speak.
What message is it sending?
We're still decrypting it. In the meantime, I briefed Lieutenant Salter on the developments in the field that need your attention. The war goes on, Captain Reyes. Defeat is not an option. Top Cat out.
Secure connection has terminated, sir.
Thanks, Camo.
More detailed reports available there at your desk terminal, Reyes. Or we can choose our next mission.
This is a classified briefing regarding the POW apprehended in Geneva. After using our Aegis guns against our fleet, the operative known as Raya attempted to destroy the entire Aegis system. This would have left Earth vulnerable to aerial attack. At this time, it's unclear if the guns can be destroyed from another location. I'll keep you posted on any and all developments. Top Cat out.
Retribution to Tigris Actual, how copy? Send traffic, Retribution. Captain Farron. Retribution was engaged by Olympus over Titan. Commander Reyes' Jackal was hit. Ethan was aboard. They bailed. He ordered 141 out of the battle zone. Rhett was taking heavy fire. Helm spooled up and pulled the plug. We left him. No weapons, no cover. I'm sorry, Lieutenant. You were following orders. I still am. I asked Stratcom to mount a rescue team. Admiral Rains refused. Wouldn't risk 5 men for 2. He may be dead. Rains forbid me sending assets in. He didn't forbid you. Find him, Farron. I got 10 years on the books with that loyal bastard. He saved my ass more times than I can count. I can't do this without him. Yes, you can, Lieutenant. I don't want to. I don't either. In purely mathematical terms, it's a mistake to go after him. But we've buried 19 commanders today. I'm not losing another. Send me their last known coordinates and we'll see what we can do. Let's keep this off radar. I'll have a sit rep for you shortly. Actual out.
Do my eyes deceive me, or is there a big-time jack pilot on my bridge?
Figured I'd come and see how the other half lives.
So, to what do I owe the pleasure?
Just checking in, Gator.
Bullshit. You're doing recon for 8 highly trained aviators who wouldn't be caught dead poking around up here.
I'm on a mission.
I knew it. Let me guess. Operation Why the Hell Was the Admiral on board? Am I right?
Actually didn't know the Admiral was here. We saw Captain Alder and half the Stratcom skip a 2-martini breakfast to do a walkthrough. Oh, something's up.
Why you?
Coin toss.
Don't buy that either. That's your school. The ops map's updated and available whenever you're ready, Commander. Tigris is setting out, sir.
Good flight, Farron. Safe travels.
To you as well, Captain Reyes.
There's a new mission from Stratcom near Mercury. Another air-to-air mission has also become available.
Here's the lay of the land. This is Vesta 3, mining colony. Provides us with all the raw materials we need to rebuild the fleet. Today's shipment never left port. Approx 1800, Vesta HQ went dark. All attempts to make contact have since failed.
What's their security package?
Mechanized. Bots guard the facility. Our mission is to assess what happened and report back to the Admiral immediately.
Special recon.
He's throwing us an easy one.
Don't be so sure. What do we got?
The asteroid's not where it belongs, sir.
This orbital path is well off its natural course.
I've got a radiation trail.
Where does it lead?
Toward the sun, ma'am.
How close?
Just outside the operational boundary, Captain.
Our equipment can handle it?
If repairs from the blowout hold, I can wrestle it in. Let's go for it, Captain.
You heard the man. Let's drop.
All hands, drop stations.
Collision alarms up. Drive is spooled.
Ship is prime. We're set.
Take us out, Gator.
Jump in 3, 2, 1.
Status?
Hull integrity shows low.
She'll hold.
Radiation's increasing.
Steady as she goes.
Here comes the drop.
Influx in 3, 2, 1.
UV filters, polarize the glass.
Roger. Error margin 0.01. Good drop.
Where's the asteroid, Gator?
My coordinates were an intercept course. Vesta 3 should be... right there.
Confirmed. Vesta 3 directly off the bow.
Matches velocity.
We're following it.
Stellar flying, Gator.
Nice work, everyone. Bosun, tell Omar to get his team on the flight deck in 3. Gator, get a Raven set. You got the con. Salt, you with me.
You know it. How you feeling, Raider?
What was the official count, Salt?
On what?
The Olympus attack. How many did we lose?
16. You heard what Max said. This shit ain't easy. Let's get to work, Slick.
Captain? Chief decided to stop by. She's been working on a present for you two.
Watch this. ATAD. Automatic target acquisition drone, 4th revision. It shoots what you shoot.
Chief Center element.
Thanks, Chief.
Nothing but close quarters and open terrain on Vesta. Got some of Mac's new ATADs to help close the gap. Added protection is always a good thing. Worker bots help mine the asteroid. Could come in handy. That'll do you right, sir.
How does an asteroid get that far off course?
Let's go get that answer.
We're not rocket scientists.
Want to bring the Chief?
Man, I vote no. Boss! What do you call a fighter pilot in a rainstorm? Tell me! Dry as a bone.
Words of wisdom, Lieutenant. Your Raven's up on Bay 2. Staff Sergeant and his men are waiting for you and the Captain.
Thanks, boss.
Flares will wreak havoc on your avionics. Bring yourselves back in one piece.
You got it, boss.
At ease.
Let me drive. Step aside.
Shima, you're my co-pilot.
Never out of fight. Yes, ma'am. You on tight?
Still standing, Staff Sergeant.
That's the way. How's he?
Max clearing him for combat.
Strong bastard.
It's our window, Raider. Come on up.
Lieutenant
Right on
Salter, go
target.
green.
Boosters in 3, 2, 1. Good set. We're in scanning range in 30.
Check all frequencies for distress signals.
Raj, radio's up.
No Marines ever been this close to the Daystar, that's for sure.
Ah, you hear that, Lieutenant? We're setting some sort of record.
Stop talking, Cash. That's an order. Asteroid rotation's fluctuating. About a minute, give or take.
That's 100 times normal spin.
Let's get a look at the day side.
Degrees in the sun?
Shit.
Get us to cover, Salt.
Roger. We got a beacon.
No, nobody could have survived this.
We don't know that.
Facility's toast. Let's get back to base and report to Rains.
We should find a place to land.
That is not advisable.
Staff Sergeant.
You pick your mission, Captain. Don't let it pick you.
We're going down there. Search and rescue.
Aye, sir. I see a hangar up ahead. We can set down inside out of the sun.
Do it.
Roger. Forcing down.
Booster rigs on. Let's go. Bring up survivors, Captain. On me, be advised. Separation on the ground could be catastrophic. Stick together. Keep out of the sun.
Roger that!
Find these civilians, dead or alive. Move out! Go, go! Make sure we're clear! Torches up! Check, check! Hold there! This is our entry point.
Holy cow.
Station's power's going on and off with the sun. Generators must be big.
Catch that light, we fry. Yeah, and that night cycle's coming back around any second.
We have to move in the shade. There's no other way.
Salter's right.
Solar panels across the way will give us the cover we need. Here's our window. Get ready. Now! Move!
Let's keep eyes on. Use it to our advantage.
This is nuts. You guys hear that?
On the source of our beacon.
Must have got caught outside.
The dude is well done. Got eyes on a sizable structure.
What do you think to make it to that airlock?
Going down.
On you,
Let's
Corporal.
press.
Get off now! Open door!
Get inside! Move it!
Come on, Raider. Book it. Airlock's running on backup.
Triggers in an emergency. Yeah, well, I'd say this qualifies.
Let's keep moving. On you, Captain.
You guys hear that? Holy Looks like a quake hit or something.
Take more than that to knock this place out of orbit.
Everyone spread out. Let's see what we can find. Get over here, I got something.
Coming for you.
Is it a firefight? Looks that way.
I don't think these two are getting along so well.
Maybe Ethan was right.
Anybody those things turning? Their own security bots turned on them? They can't do that, right?
Keep it tight. Breathers on. Scan your sectors.
We're looking for survivors forward to this position.
On me, Reyes.
Right behind you, Fever.
On your 6.
Worker drones.
No harm.
Why are they moving like that? There's blood on the walls.
Got a dead civilian here.
Another one?
Looks like his neck is broken.
It's good, Cash.
Lights out.
Nice cycle.
Drones must be tied to the power then.
Good call, Mom.
Let's get this door open, Reyes. Think anyone's left to rescue?
Let's hope so.
We'll find him, Captain.
Those guard bots on standby.
Power's up, they're live!
Crazy!
Push forward!
What the hell, man? Why is our own tech shooting at us? Contact! Carl, under the door! Access to the closed-circuit system.
Good call, Marines. Embers may give us a fix on our personnel.
Weapons and ammo! Grab what you need!
Alcedo, be advised. Red light dead ahead.
That may be our command center. Overshadow.
Room! Let's ride! There's contact!
Weapons and ammo! Grab what you need!
Alcedo, be advised. Red light dead ahead.
That may be our command center. Overshadow.
Room! Let's ride! There's contact!
We're dark!
Now!
Eagles up! Stay covered!
Hack at 10%.
Disengaged!
Keep us moving, Captain. Everyone good? Good to go. Keep rolling.
You think that was all of them? That'd be awesome if that was all of them. We're not waiting around to find out.
Lockdown mode initiated. Autonomous security response is on site.
Crazy. Clear? All clear. Captain Reyes, get eyes on this. I think we found our civvy.
That's them, all right.
Where are they?
Close. Landing area over the mine.
You were right, Captain.
Salt, get back to Raven 1. I want you on the X for evac.
Roger. I'll brief the Red on what we know so far.
Check. Listen up. We're getting those people out of here.
The mine's just ahead of us. Straight shot. Let's move.
Sergeant! Resources from these mines are critical to rebuilding the fleet.
Enemy sniper! On the catwalk! 12 o'clock! X! First floor! 12 o'clock! Enemy sniper! On the catwalk! To the north! On the catwalk! 12 o'clock!
Find these civilians and report to STRATCOM.
We'll have to jump across.
Don't look down, Eva. Come on, man. Why you gotta say that? We're close.
Fever, Raider, we're on the X. What's your status?
Up and away. Contact with Retribution was a no-go. Solar flares are killing the net.
They don't know we're here. They maybe are.
Maintain fire discipline. We don't want any accidents.
Back up.
Outside the door. Quiet. Stay in.
I'm Commander Nick Reyes. We're here to rescue you.
Oh, thank heavens.
You're gonna get us out of here?
We have a transport ready for evac.
Mom, can you tell us what happened?
Cloud Circuit captured this. That ship came out of nowhere. Big son of a bitch. Open fire, not the asteroid, of course.
Olympus was here, Captain.
Our own mechs attacked us.
That was no accident. SDF must have gotten into the program. Did you find any other survivors? There are more of us, but they never came.
Then you're all that's left.
Landing pad's right outside. It's covered by heat shielding, though.
Materials here are highly explosive.
Roger that. Let's do this.
Well, you open us up to the airpad, the bots are gonna get in here.
You want to get out of here or not?
Get your people lined up. We're gonna have to make a run for the transport. I'll take you to the switch, but I'm not pulling it, Captain.
Fever, Raider is opening an LZ for civilian evac. Be advised, exfil will be hot.
Solid copy. I'm in place.
Okay. This lever opens the shutters. I hope you know what you're doing.
LZ is open, Fever. Time your shadows. Marines, protect your people. Fire when ready.
Hold them off! We're back on the night cycle!
Multiple contact! LZ is open, Fever. Time your shadows.
Stop this thing! Turn it around!
Step back! He's still down there, Salt! Turn the ship around!
He's gone, sir.
We left him,
There's
Corporal.
nothing you could do, Captain.
I gave you a direct order!
I'm the pilot of this ship. It's my job to make sure that we get back.
We lift off on my order!
We shouldn't have been down there in the first place.
That's not your call.
Mission comes first. Omar's words, not mine.
I bring my men home, Salt. We do both.
Captain, he goes willingly.
He didn't have to, Corporal.
Two seconds, Salt. All I needed was 2 more seconds.
I needed those 2 seconds to get us off the X.
What if it were me?
What are you asking me?
Would you have left me out there?
I don't know.
Yes, you do.
Hesitation is a hole in the head, Reyes. We both know that. There was no other way.
There's always another way.
Not always.
Since when?
Since you became captain.
Main to Raven.
Send traffic, Gator.
We received an emergency oprep, Captain. What's your ETA?
We're coming in now.
You're needed on the bridge ASAP, sir.
Roger, we've got civilians on board.
Acknowledged. We'll prep for offload. Out.
This day's not ending anytime soon. Let's keep the barrel side out. Fight the enemy, not each other. You got the green light to do whatever it takes.
Sorry about Omar, Reyes.
Me too, Salt.
Lieutenant Salter.
We'll handle this, sir.
Meet me on the bridge when you're through, Corporal.
Yes,
Captain, this way if you would.
Give us a sit rep.
What happened, Ethan?
Distress call from Farron. Should be in your HUD now.
Tigris is under attack.
Are we in contact with Farron?
Solar flares are blocking comms. Gator's trying to locate the position now. Something go wrong with the recon, sir?
We saved lives out there, Ethan. But there were some problems.
What kind of problems, man?
Staff Sergeant Omar didn't make it, Ethan.
I'm sorry to hear that, sir.
Gator, I've got the captain. We're coming in now.
Captain has the con.
Seal the bridge.
Aye, sir. I've zeroed in on Tigris' fix.
Prepare a drop to that location. Commence when ready.
Aye, sir.
Lieutenant Salter, get our jacks on alert. I want Raven standing by for survivors.
Reyes, I don't anticipate it.
Do it, Salt.
Yes, sir.
Captain, Combo informs me you have a priority notification from the Admiral in your office.
Lieutenant Salter has the con.
This is a classified briefing regarding the POW known as Riot. Identify yourself.
Commander Nick Reyes.
3, 2, 1.
We believe Riot's mission was to incinerate himself along with the Aegis. His implanted transponder would have been destroyed, halting its signal, sending an all clear to the enemy fleet. Stratcom can only assume an invasion will follow. We need to act on this intel, Captain. Make it your purpose. Top Cat out.
Captain, the ship is in position. We should get you out there.